With Solid Edge, you can enhance your product design process while automating and simplifying workflows to maximize productivity. Locating just the right part has never been easier. Search wildcards are supported in parts libraries, model view palettes, and the Assembly Pathfinder. These wildcards provide flexibility when searching, allowing you to match and retrieve parts based on partial or uncertain terms or variations in spelling in your query. Search results display subassemblies and parts in various shades of green for easy identification. With expanded family of parts options, flat patterns can now be included while working on sheet metal parts, containing all the information you need to create drawings or annotations. Once we define the new members, we can see options to capture sketches, file properties, and variables. Further enhancements to family of parts include the ability to set individual material properties per member, as well as control the suppression states of sketches and etches. Selecting a specific member shows the material change alongside different etches specific to each member. Greater control of selecting objects has been added with the Polygon and Lasso selection fence options. This makes many common workflows much easier, like resizing holes. Using the Lasso selection option, we'll select the desired holes and change the size with ease. Polygon and Lasso selections are available within the part, assembly, draft, and subdivision modeling environments. Many designs require handed parts. These symmetrically opposite parts are identical, mirrored copies of one another. A new streamlined workflow makes it easier and faster to create these left-right-handed parts that can remain associative to the original part if needed. With the selection of a mirror plane and quick save, our new handed part is immediately available for use. And the best part of using the Save as Mirrored command? All the features used for creating the sheet metal part are carried over, minimizing errors when making downstream design changes. The display of bend center lines in the flat pattern environment is now supported within the sheet metal environment. Color coding defines the bend direction. Up bends are displayed in blue and down bends in green. The color and style of center lines can be easily modified to suit your company's standards. In Solid Edge Express Route, multiple pipes and tubes can now be automatically trimmed with the help of the Trim command. In this example, after turning on the clipping planes, we can see there is overlap between the main tube and the 3 cleaning tubes. We can trim these tubes so they join together seamlessly with just a few simple clicks. By selecting the primary and secondary tubes, the Trim Tubes command intelligently cuts holes in the main tube to the outside diameter of the secondary tubes and trims the 3 cleaning tubes to fit. Another new capability in Solid Edge is the Recent Documents Preview, where we can easily select the part we'd like to work on without leaving the design environment, saving time and energy. This sheet metal part requires some modification, the addition of several punch slots. 7 construction bodies have been placed in the sheet metal part to represent the punches used to remove the material. Using the Subtract command, we can select the main target body and then quickly and easily choose the solid bodies as the tool step, all within the same window. Unwanted regions left behind as a result of the subtract operation, or disjoint regions, can be intelligently identified and automatically removed. Hiding the construction bodies, we can see all the internal disjoint regions within the sheet metal part have been removed. And that's just another example of how you can enhance your design process and simplify workflows with Solid Edge, and unleash the power of intelligent product design.